many ways, but they're still in that moderate range. So all you've shown them is after your 6 weeks of training, what moderate to moderate. Well, what can you do? This one shows a little bit more of more potential for showing different types of improvement. The first